Hello, welcome to Module 10 of Hausa language class, and this is going to be our last module for this course. Reading and writing skills in Hausa. Reading and writing skills in Hausa. Reading and writing are core language skills. They're built on alphabet, pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar. Hausa uses Boko Latin script. Reading, decoding, and plus understanding. Writing, you have to organize your idea and have a correct use of grammar. The goal of this model is to be able to read simple text and write clear sentences and short compositions. Basic reading comprehension. Basic reading comprehension. Reading comprehension is the ability to understand, interpret, and respond to written text in Hausa. Comprehension depends on familiarity with vocabulary, grammar, and content. So in this module, we are going to put all what we have learned from Module 1 to Module 9 into practice. So reading depends on vocabulary knowledge, just like I said, grammar awareness, and content understanding. Word recognition and special character. Ability to, if you want to read in Hausa or you want to write fluently, you have to understand, you have to recognize all the Hausa alphabet. We said we have 29, and all the special characters. Word recognition and special characters. We have four special characters. We have the B, impulsive. You press air inward while saying B. Then we have the D, press air inward while saying D. Then we have the K, it is said with the throat constriction. Then we have the Y, it is glottalized like Y in the throat. Then we have the digraphs, which is the Sh. We have to correct recognition of these special characters, improve reading accuracy. Vowels and syllable patterns. Hausa, just like English, has 5 basic vowels, each of which has long and short form. We have examples: rana, 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 biri, biri. Then common syllable patterns. We have the consonant vowel, baka, vowel, a. Then consonant vowel, consonant. Then we have the consonant vowel, vowel. If you want to break it into patterns, you have to use this pattern. If you want to break it into syllables, you have to use this patterns. Syllable division. Mutum, mutum. That is 2-syllable word. Abokina, abokina. It is being broken into 4-syllable words. Strategies for improving reading. How do you improve reading in Hausa? First, you have to what? Read slowly and carefully. Identify keywords and phrases. Rereading difficult passages, using contents to interfere meaning. Writing simple sentences. How do you learn how to write simple sentences in Hausa? Writing begins with construction of simple sentences and gradually develops into paragraph writing. A simple Hausa sentence usually follows the subject-verb-object structure. You start with the subject, doer of the action, then the verb, the action, and then we have the object, the receiver of the action. Example, yaro yana tafiya. Yaro, like as we learned in previous model, yaro means boy. Yana is yana tafiya is walking. Tafiya walking. Yaro yana tafiya. Yaro yana cin abinci. The boy is eating food. Ina yaro, where is the boy? Yaro baya cin abinci, the boy is not eating. Understanding structures improve writing clarity. If you don't understand this subject verb object structure, I think writing will be a bit difficult. Then writing paragraphs. A paragraph is a group of related sentences that develop a single idea. In Hausa writing, paragraph should have a clear main idea, supporting sentences, logical flow. Learners are encouraged to write short paragraphs describing people, places, or daily activities. Spelling rules in Hausa. In every language, there are rules to spelling. So, spelling rules in Hausa. Hausa is largely phonemic. Words are written as they are pronounced. Special letters must be correctly used to avoid changes in their meaning. Then we have the punctuation in Hausa. Every language has the use of punctuations. When you don't use punctuations correctly, it interferes with the meaning of words and sentences. Basic punctuations in Hausa are the digo, that is the period, dot, it is used at the end of the sentence. Waka, waka, that is comma. Waka, that is comma. Separate items or clauses. Then we have the question mark. Alamar tambaya ends a question. Exclamation mark. Alamar murna, showing excitement. Then we have quotation marks. Alamun magana. These are the punctuations we have in Hausa. We have special marks like the goital stop, that is used ya, ya. Then reading, the next topic is reading short Hausa texts and stories. Reading short Hausa texts and stories. Reading short texts and stories help learners apply reading skills in meaningful contents. Types of text. When we say text, what are the types of text we have? We have the narrative, we have the dialogue, we have the descriptive passage, and we have the simple informational text. The benefits of reading short Hausa texts and stories: it improves vocabulary. Reading improves vocabulary in every language, enhances comprehension, introduces culture, and encourage reading habits. Common reading challenges in Hausa. Special character confusion. You have to keep practicing to be able to get the special character. Then the word segmentation. Difficulty saying words boundaries. We have vocabulary gaps. Stopping at unknown words. And reading fluency. Slow, halting reading. That is how you correct it. Solution to all these common reading challenges: repeated reading and echo reading. The next topic is guided comprehension. A guided comprehension. A guided composition. Guided composition involves writing with support, prompts, or outlines provided by the teacher. You're given a topic to write on, but with a guide on how to write it. Writing processes. Idea generalization, planning. You have to plan on the topic you are given. You have to draft. You have to revise. You have to edit. Sample topics. We have ayyukan nan na kullum. Ayyukan nan na kullum. Ayyukana na kullum. My daily routine. My daily routine. Iyalina, my family. Ziyara zuwa kasuwa, a visit to the market. Writing a guided comprehension helps build confidence and organization skills. In conclusion, at the end of this model 1 to 10, learners have been able to read, meaning contract. Learners are able to read in Hausa, write in Hausa, and master spelling and punctuation essentials in Hausa. Literacy in Hausa open access to literature, media, culture, and lifelong lesson. Hausa is not something that can be learned in a short period of time. It takes time and repeated commitment.